One day in the life of a construction worker.
Hi everybody, the modern India is getting filled with a lot of skyscrapers, but the men and women behind these constructions are left unnoticed. Now let's have a look at a day in the life of these construction workers.
They wake up early in the morning even before the sun rises. They do a huge deal of work in their house. They bathe their children, prepare their food, wash their clothes and clean their vessels. In the construction site, they do a variety of work. They carry loads of sand and bricks on their head, which they feel is the most tedious work requiring greater stamina. By carrying bricks on their head, they are prone to neck and shoulder pain, but they carry on their work with a smile on their face. They even need to take care of their children while doing their work. This makes the job even more tougher. Most importantly, their children are not sent to school. They are let to play in the sand near slogged water, which causes a lot of infections, adding to their worries. The place where they live is even more a pathetic one. For instance, they live in huts for constructing skyscrapers. Now, let's have an interview with a construction worker.
காலையில ஒரு 5 மணிக்கு எழுந்துக்குவோம். 5 மணிக்கு எழுந்து சாப்பாடு செஞ்சுட்டு குழந்தைய குளிப்பாட்டிட்டு சாப்பிட்டு வேலைக்கு போய் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு கல் மண் எல்லாம் சுமக்கணும். குழந்தையும் அதிலே கூடவே வச்சுன்னு இருக்கணும். குழந்தை அழுவான். சாருங்கெல்லாம் திட்டுவாங்க. குழந்தைய வச்சுன்னு கஷ்டப்படுறது. என்ன செய்யறது?
These construction workers are like nomads. They do not have a permanent residence. In spite of their hard work, their life is in a sorry state. By seeing this, we understand that everyone in this world has a dream to build their own house. In the same way, these construction workers even have the same dream and hope of building their own house one day.